Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a 4-column layout in SharePoint. Now we have column 1, 2, and 3, and 4. This is actually quite easy to do. If you go into edit, you'll notice that if you want to create a new column, there's only the ability to create up to 3 columns. But what we can do is we can create a 3-column layout and use this vertical section. And this is how we can do it. Now I've removed all of my other layouts and I'm just going to add a new one here. Let's say we add our 3-column one here, and I'll just put in some placement. I'll just put some placement text, right? Column 1, and then column 2, and then column 3, and then column 4, right? So if I put that in, I'll put these 3 columns first and have that in there. All I need to do is go back to my plus here and add my vertical section. This becomes my 4th column, right? Column 4. Republish, and I have my 4-column section there. And you notice you'll have to contend with some of the quirks of SharePoint. You see where it has this 4th column. This basically goes all the way down. This panel goes all the way down, and these 3 columns here, they're segmenting that part of the page in this 3-column layout. So you just have to be aware of that. And also, if you want to test how it looks in mobile, you can go to right-click, go to Inspect, and click on that little icon here. And here's toggled, and we can see how it looks in the different mobile platforms or the different type of tablet platforms. You can see the columns don't really lay out that well. It lays out better on like a desktop view, but you can see that there's different ways you can see this type of format. You see the columns don't really lay out that well in the iPad Pro type of layout. So you just have to be aware of how it gets viewed either in a tablet or mobile. But if your audience is primarily on desktop, then this should work out for you. Just be aware of how it segments out the page when you're designing it. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.